With the Find the Perfect Match feature, you can easily locate ideal assignees and teams for tasks, keeping your projects efficient and on track. Find the Perfect Match looks at what skills a task requires, who has those skills, and who has enough capacity to take it on, whether it's an individual or a team. To get started, switch to the individual view. In the View panel, enable Workload, Remaining Capacity, and Capacity to see who is available at a glance. Next, let's look at the tasks in the Unassigned panel. Choose a task and open the Detail view. The Find the Perfect Match icon is located next to the assignee. BigPicture recommends up to 5 top assignees based on required task skills, each person's skill set, and remaining capacity. Each suggestion includes a percentage match score. Select Show More to view all suggested assignees along with their remaining capacity and skills. Skills are the highest weighted criterion at 70%, and remaining capacity weighs in at 30%. If you choose one of the suggested matches, the task is assigned accordingly. Color coding on the resource grid helps you understand capacity at a glance. If the bar is green, it indicates the resource is available and has capacity. Red means the resource is overallocated. If the resource is overallocated, assign it to someone else with capacity. Open the task and choose the Find the Perfect Match icon to identify the best match based on capacity. Coloring rules differ for individuals and teams, and you can review these details in administration settings. To summarize, BigPicture makes it easy to find available resources and manage your tasks effortlessly.